Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. Welcome to Dry Fit Theater. I'm Ron Zay, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. And today, in this week's episode, we're going to be dry fitting this chair leg back together before it gets glued and clamped. The joints in this kind of chair are held together with little short dowels that go in these holes and hold it from two different directions. Now, what happened here was this chair, not having a stretcher in the front, this leg kicked out that way, broke a piece off of it, and broke the dowels as well. So what I had to do when I got the chair here in the lab was drill out all these holes right here, which was quite a trick in itself, and glue the chip back on. Now we've got that point to it, or to that point I should say. It's time to fit it together to see if it's actually going to work. Now, when this kind of chair is made brand new, this whole front piece is put together first and then slid on. Makes it actually quite easy. A little more challenging when you're only working with one corner, because what we have to do is get the dowels in. And in this case, you see they're rather loose. In cabinet work like this, you're going to have what they call a drive fit, where you have to hammer the pin into the hole. And you're going to have a slip fit, where you could just push it in. Well, in this case, what we have is called a rattle fit. And the reason for that is because when you're drilling out old holes like this, you can't really be sure you get it straight. It's not like putting it together when it's brand new. And I want to be able to have a little bit of wiggle room here to get this line back up with the old lines. So what we're going to do here, put these in first. Put these in next. And pull this out. Get these lined up with it. See that probably holes need to be a little bit deeper to get this fit back together. But once that's done, then I'll be applying epoxy into all the holes and on the dowels, lining them up as carefully as I can with the old joints, and then clamping it in place. And then we'll be ready to go back to the customer. So, thanks for watching this week's episode of Dry Fit Theater. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.